Welcome back to Aesthetic Marvi. Today, I'm going to share 5 amazing DIY masks that will help you tackle acne naturally. Let's get started. 1 2 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of honey. Few drops of lemon. 2 teaspoon of honey. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 3 1 teaspoon aloe vera. 1 teaspoon neem powder. 4 2 teaspoon ground oatmeal. 1 teaspoon honey. 5 1 teaspoon neem powder. 2 teaspoon basin. Pinch of turmeric. 1 teaspoon honey. Cleanse your face, but leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse it off. Stay consistent. And there you have it. 5 simple, effective DIY masks to help you combat acne naturally. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. See you next time.